Welcome back, everyone, to Repair Pro Tips. Today we have a 2023 Cadillac CT5 we're going to be doing an oil reset on. We're going to use the left-right arrow on the right here and the roller button. So what we're going to do first here is hold the ignition down till all the gauges come on. Should look something like that. Then we're going to use the left to right and look at the right side of the dash. We're going to scroll over till we get to maintenance. That's going to bring up oil life. Then you're going to push in on the roller dial. You're going to push in again once it says reset engine oil and hold it. It's going to ask you if you want to reset the life now. Push it in one more time for yes. And now your oil life should be set to 100%. I hope this helped, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.